Hello there. If you did manage to see some sunny spells during Saturday, consider yourself one of the lucky ones. It has been a fairly grey and drab start to the weekend for many of us. You can see that on the earlier satellite image. You might also notice just the southwest of the UK, this hook of cloud swirling its way around, and that's due to the centre of this area of low pressure that's been around with us today. These occluded fronts just swirling their way around have been bringing outbreaks of rain, showers for various areas of the UK. And with that rainfall just falling on already saturated ground, we could see some localised disruption in places across parts of the southwest, particularly eastern areas of England, as this band of rain sweeps its way in overnight. Quite a lot of low cloud, mist, fog developing during the night as well, turning fairly murky for many of us. But again, a few lucky ones for parts of western Scotland, maybe into parts of Wales as well, seeing some clearer spells overnight. So here, underneath those slightly starrier skies, temperatures may drop off a touch more. Can't rule out the odd patchy frost in rural spots, but underneath the cloud elsewhere, temperatures will likely stay above freezing for most of us. But a murky, bleak start to Sunday for many of us, though. This area of rain in the east only very slowly clearing its way off, and particularly for Aberdeenshire, the Northern Isles, it is going to be a very wet day right throughout, and some brisk winds around in the northeast as well. The fog elsewhere will slowly clear its way off, and we'll start to see some brighter spells developing into the afternoon, but not 100% dry, because we do have these showers filtering their way in from the west as well. Temperatures on the cards around 10 to 11 degrees Celsius, which is pretty much where we'd expect them to be for this time in the year. That rain in the far northeast, though, will be persistent right throughout into Sunday evening as well, so very wet end today for Shetland. Elsewhere, particularly in the east, the showers will ease off a touch more, turning drier overnight, but always quite frequent for parts of Northern Ireland and western Scotland, turning wintry over the hills of Scotland by the end of the night. But where you do see those clearer spells developing, that is going to mean it's going to be a chillier night to come compared to Saturday night. Most of us will be down into low single figures now, and again, some patchy frost will be around first thing on Monday morning. On Monday itself then, this area of low pressure that's been with us during the weekend will start to centre itself up further north, a bit closer towards Iceland, and that allows this northwesterly flow there to start feeding its way in from the Atlantic. Quite a few ice bars on the chart there, so it will be a reasonably breezy day for most of us. Those showers though will be most frequent in the north and west, parts of Northern Ireland into western areas of Scotland, again wintry over the highest ground. Those further east, starting off the day with quite a lot of sunshine out there and a fairly pleasant one. Again, a bit of fair weather cloud bubbling up into the afternoon, but generally further towards the east and south, you are very likely to stay dry throughout a good portion of Monday. Temperatures just slightly fresher than the day before, more around 6 to 10 degrees Celsius, but it could just feel that bit cooler, that bit colder along western coastal districts where you do see that breeze just continuing to filter its way in from the Atlantic itself. We do hold on to a pretty changeable and unsettled theme into the middle part of next week, so do enjoy any of those sunnier spells you do have around at times on Monday, but we'll have plenty of updates on what is heading our way for next week across our YouTube channel, and of course those who are on half term may very well want to subscribe and keep up to date with that. But we'll see you again here very soon. Bye bye.